Look at this. This is ridiculous. Like I mean, this just barely started like 10 minutes ago or so. Look. Like it's really coming down.
It's in our house.
Oh, yeah, it's in our house. Oh, no. Christiana's headed to a friend's house because she's got a thing in the morning in the city, and it just all of a sudden started freaking blizzarding outside.
No.
Probably will be fine. Man, yeah, it just started coming down. There's like this massive cold front that's coming in from the north. That's just, oh my gosh.
Wow.
There's just like this massive unloading of cold and snow. It's supposed to be -3 tonight. Tomorrow's going to be a high of 0 Celsius. So, yeah. It's really hard to articulate how much snow there is. I hope it's getting captured on video, but it's going to be cold tonight.
No.
Yeah, you guys see the snow?
No.
You see the snow?
No.
Hey, Ducky, look at me. See,
No.
it's, Brent, Ducky, it's snow.
No.
Say,
No.
snow.
No.
Snow.
No.
Snow.
No.
Snow. So that happened last night. There seems to be a lot of snow everywhere.
No.
Like an inch and a half. Yeah, snow. Look at that.
Snow.
Snoo. Yeah, so that all, that just, yeah. So apparently big storm coming through / apparently this is like the first part of the storm. The next part of the storm is coming on Friday. So we'll see how that goes. I don't think I prepared enough. That's for sure. Alright, here we go. Get your face out the window.
You go outside too?
Yeah. Ooh. There we go. You scared of the snow? It's okay. Go doop 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 doop. Can you try it? Doop 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 doop. Oh, your hands are so sticky from that chocolate egg.
Can you make a snowball and throw it right over
You want me to make a snowball? Oh, it's so cold. Oh boy. Oh. In the yard, it's this deep. So from here to here. So that's pretty deep in the yard. Very impressive. All right. Bit too cold for the girls. Melody didn't like the snow, which I think is fascinating. But we just went and we got some food from the store just in time because looks like more snow is coming in. The clouds are getting darker. It's like a proper snowstorm, as they would say. What do you think about all the snow, buddy? Ducky, you don't like the snow, do you? Do you like the snow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's getting inside.
Oh, is it coming inside? Ugh.
What?
My goodness. Wow. Yeah, I should keep that close. It's very exciting. And like, look, these are like the snow pellets. It's coming down in these really interesting, it's just like balls of snow that are soft. They're not like hail, but they look like hail. They hit like hail. It's all very exciting. Rylan, what are you doing? Is it cold?
I was making snowballs right there.
Okay,
And on the window.
great.
I feel like the wise man says, curl up in a blanket. Stay inside.
That's what the wise man says. It's like super stormy. Look.
Why would he do this? No!
It's evil man. All of this white, my camera doesn't know how to deal with it. I'm guessing that this vlog is going to be slightly like, what's the next shot going to be? Oh, we're still inside because it's so cold. I was getting something. What was I getting? So there's been like all these warnings that have been sent out about the next 24 hours. basically. There's been warnings issued for between today and tomorrow to stay inside, and you know, a bunch of businesses are going to be closing down because apparently the beast from the east is what they're calling the storm. There's supposed to be like bigger storms tonight, bigger storming. So I'm putting all of the toys and stuff in the backyard inside the shed so they don't go flying into someone else's yard. Alright, quick little update. It's almost 9 p.m. and the weather outside is definitely picking up. Just read a news report that said the red weather status has been extended through tomorrow evening. Apparently it's supposed to get really, really bad. Everything's going to be white and windy with gales up to 110 kilometers an hour. Everyone's being advised to stay inside and to not drive anywhere. All the systems and businesses are going to be shut down tomorrow. We're just going to be staying inside, and I'm anticipating some kind of a power outage, but it's held so far. I mean, we'll see. We've got like flashlights and all of our emergency stuff anyway, so it should be okay. But yeah, I'm interested to see how all of this pans out tomorrow. I like storms. They're cool. So hopefully everything will be all right and people are safe and everything. So, well, still kind of windy out there. It was very windy last night, but no power outage in our house. I know a lot of places in Dublin got power outages. Not sure how we dodged that, but it's just, you know, it's cold, it's windy. Doing okay so far. Nothing major to report. There's more snow on the ground. It's sturdy. This is weird.
They've tucked me in for bed.
Oh, that's nice. No, that's super kind. Yeah. Really nice. Well, today is Saturday, and you know, it raged a little bit more last night, but it's already, I mean, this morning I woke up when I was, you know, middle of the night, and all of this was white, and it's 9 o'clock now, and it's already like starting to melt / dissipate. So obviously still windy, low wind. The concern is that as the snow starts to melt, it's going to cause some flooding and obviously some, you know, if it stays pretty cold. I mean, it's supposed to be like a high of 4 today, I think, so it's going to warm up a little bit, and then it'll be you know, start to melt and stuff like that. My main concern is ice. So it'll get like all watery, and then it'll get cold again, and then it'll turn to ice. But I'm not really sure if that's how it's going to go down. But we will kind of see. Heard about some people looting. Really? We all got up super early this morning. I was up at 5. The girls were up by 6. At 8, we were just like, man, it feels like it's 11, but it was 8. Going to be a long day, my friends. So there's the snowman. Look at him go. Do you like the snowman? Are you cold?
No.
High five.
High
Snowman's not looking so good out there. I'm amazed that he's lasted that long, actually. I don't know if it's, I mean, the whole, it's so strange because it's still very cold. I guess it's not that cold. I think we've made it, ow! Ah! I was gonna say unscathed and then I stepped on a thing. And just like that, snow has melted for the most part. It's so crazy to me. There went the storm. The main things though in Ireland to be looking out for over the next probably week or so, maybe 2 weeks, is flooding, because now obviously all the snow is melting, which is going to lead to, you know, rapid water rising in small lakes and rivers and things like that. So we should be okay here, and it's actually kind of warming up, resting as much as possible. I'm kind of over Ryland's. She's had such an attitude lately. It's like she's a kid or something. People are like, just wait until she's a teenager. It was interesting to be part of what felt like a historic event in Ireland for all this. Hey, my ruler. Anyways, that's gonna do it for this week. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. I'll see you next week.